Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosis. Today in this video, let's talk about the batch payments that you can find inside the accounting module of Odoo 18. So you all know batch payment, as the name indicates, you can do payments as a batch. That is, multiple payments can be done simultaneously by using this feature. So this can be found inside the accounting module. So you all know we can manage the invoicing as well as the billing separately in the accounting module. So there in the accounting module, you have an option to choose multiple bills or even invoices and then do the batch payments. We even have a separate option for batch payments. So I'm not wasting your time. Let's move on to the video and see how this works. So let's dive into the video. What exactly are batch payments? In simple terms, they allow you to grow multiple payments from different customers or vendors into one single transaction. This single transaction then gets a unique batch reference. Why is this important? Because that batch references become your key during bank reconciliation. Instead of matching individual payments, you match one batch, dramatically speeding up your process. Before we can start creating batches, we need to enable the feature. It's really straightforward. From your Odoo dashboard, head over to Accounting and then click on Configuration and finally go to the Settings. Once the settings page loads, scroll down until you find here a section called the Customer Payments. Okay, so just scroll down. Yeah, here we have it, Customer Payments. Okay, and here you will see the option which is called Batch Payments. So you have to simply click the toggle to enable it, and don't forget to click Save at the top right to apply your changes if you have ticked it right now. Mine is already done, so I don't have to save it again. And now that batch payments are enabled, let's create our first batch. First, ensure all payments you want to include in the batch have already been registered in Odoo. Go to Accounting, then under Customers, you can click on the Payments. Now you will see a list of all your registered payment. Now here's the crucial part. You have to select the payments you want to include in your batch. So a very important note here, that is all payments in a single batch must use the same payment method. Okay, so I'm choosing this one and this one. These three I'm choosing. Okay, once you've selected your things, what you have to do is you have to click on create batch payment. So these are already in another batch, so we can't use that. Or simply we'll do one thing, we'll create two payments new. Okay, so let it be in a receive state, or you can change it to send state. Whatever it is, you can choose it. So the customer, I'm choosing Abigail, or a different person you can use from the search more option. You can use Anita Oliver, and the amount I'm using it as 50, 500, whatever it is. Okay, you're saving it and you're confirming it, which makes it in process state. Okay, so I'm making one more send state. Let it be Audrey Peterson. Then confirming it. So right now we've made two different payments for Anita and Audrey Peterson. So I'm just choosing both and clicking on create batch. So you have to make sure they are not included in other batches. Okay, so this opens up the batch payment form, and here you can review all the selected payments. And if you realize you missed an individual payment, you can simply go to add a line and select the missing payment to include it. Once you're happy with that all relevant payments are included in your batch, it's time to finalize it. So you have to click validate. Okay, so a quick heads up, once a batch is validated, you cannot add any additional payments to it. So make sure everything is perfect before clicking the validate. And a pro tip, if you need a physical list of the included payments, you can just click on the print icon over here to download it. So to view all your existing batch payments at any time, simply go to the accounting, then customers and click on batch. So you have created a batch payment over here where the reference number is 0001. Okay, now that is created. If you go to customers, you can see the batch payment, and the batch which we created right now is here. See, 0001. Okay, so this gives you a clear overview of all your grouped transactions. And now for the magic moment, bank reconciliation. Once your bank transactions has been imported or created in Odoo, reconciling them with your batch payment is incredibly easy. Instead of matching several individual payments, you will now match the single bank transaction with your validated batch payment using its batch reference. So, this significantly speeds up your reconciliation process, especially when dealing with high volumes of payments like SAPA debit cards, or direct debits, or large check deposits. And there you have it, batch payment in Odoo, which is a powerful tool to streamline your payment management and simplify your bank reconciliation. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all know how to do batch payment now. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.